Here is how to get free back accessories in Roblox. First, go to the Roblox official website, which is roblox.com, and log into your specific account. Then select the marketplace option, which is in the top of the screen between charts and create. Tap on it. Filter the results by price. Select any price and then select 0 and also set 0 in maximum, then apply. Now click on this all button over here. Go to accessories, then scroll down and select back accessory and click on apply. This will show you only free backpacks. Scroll down and choose the backpack that you want to add and click on it. And you can also search for other free back accessories in the same way and add any free accessories that you like. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.